friends, and welcome back to today's video. If you guys clicked on this video, I know that you are in need of some cleaning motivation today, so I'm really excited to provide that for you. Now, you all are going to be watching this on a Sunday, so let's get some Sunday motivation going. Of course, we got to kick off this video with some iced coffee. I am in need of all the motivation in the world, so if you guys need it too, grab yourself a cup of coffee and settle on in, or even get up and clean along with me today. I posted 2 whole house clean with me videos and I got my whole house clean. I will have those linked down below in case you missed them. So in today's video, we're going to be doing just some maintenance, routine cleaning. That way we can keep this momentum going of my clean house. And I just hate to get too far behind. It just gets super duper overwhelming. So let's go ahead and tackle some cleaning in today's video. We are going to kick off our cleaning in today's video right here in the kitchen by clearing some of these crumbs off of the bar stools and the countertops. This is definitely our most used room in the whole house. It is the heart of our home, and it's really easy to fall behind in here. Like if I don't do dishes throughout the day, before I know it, my sink is overflowing with dishes and the island is full of clutter. So I'm just trying not to do that to myself. I get mentally overwhelmed very easily. And so I'm really trying to make it a habit to come in here and try and pick up and clean as I go every single day. Let me know if you guys are the same. If you get super overwhelmed by clutter and just chaos, I cannot handle it. So I just do my best to clean as I go throughout the day. Today is the day we're going to clean up this coffee pot since we use it several times a day. It is time to get this thing nice and cleaned up, so I love to come in and scrub this drip tray, and then I'm even going to run one of those coffee K-cups through, and you guys will see just how quickly this coffee maker gets absolutely disgusting, and that's why it's so important to stay on top of your coffee makers and clean them up, because you cannot see what's going into your coffee. But hang in there with me just a minute, and I'm going to show you how disgusting the inside of my coffee maker was, and I even clean this regularly.
I'm out of reasons, I'm out of rhyme, but I'll only tell you that I'm out of time. I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So let that just be a gentle reminder to remember to clean out your coffee pots or your coffee makers, Nespressos, whatever you guys use, because I feel like it's definitely one of those forgotten about tasks. And the other one I wanted to tackle today was my air fryer. So as you guys just saw me do, I just did a little bit of dish soap in the basket, did a little bit of water, and then I'm gonna set it just to a generic time on my air fryer, and I'm gonna let it do its thing and just hang in there a few minutes, and I will show you guys what a good job it does. I learned this little cleaning hack on TikTok, and if you guys haven't done it, I mean, of course, do everything at your own risk and use caution, but it absolutely works and it cleans out my air fryer basket so awesome. So I'm running that K-cup through my coffee pot. I'm getting my air fryer cleaned. We're gonna unload the dishwasher and knock out some dishes. So it feels really good to get caught up on all this cleaning I got behind on.
Breathless. like it is. Bend open my heart.
On this day that I was filming, we had high wind advisories here in Southern California. This happens every year. It's very normal for us, but I wanted to show you guys how windy it was outside, and it would get like this, and then all of a sudden we had warnings for 60 to 70 mile an hour gusts come through, and it can do some damage. Luckily we were fine. We had nothing but maybe some chairs toppled over in our backyard, but we do get down power lines and trees and stuff. It can be dangerous, but I wanted to show you guys how windy it was outside today. And I also wanted to show you guys how beautiful this Birds of Paradise flower was that my husband picked for me. We have them right here in our yard. And then I wanted to show you the final result of the air fryer. Look how amazing this looks. The crumbs or anything that was stuck in all the nooks and crannies just float to the top. And then you could always give it a good rinse and maybe even one more scrub if you missed anything. And then I'm just going to dry this out and put it away.
You had me at hello, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. You came right out of the blue. I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight, and you, I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need me too? 'Cause I need you. Yeah, so call me anytime that you need a favor. Call me anytime I can come and sit in you. Oh, oh. Call me anytime that you need a friend, and call me anytime when you're out of tight, and you, I got you. You got me, got me. You got me, got me. You got me too. Got me, got me. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it, don't you need it too? 'Cause I got you, and you got me too.
I wanted to give you all a little flooring update. So like I said, this video is going up on a Sunday, and this upcoming Wednesday, February 9th, we will be getting our floors downstairs. The baseboards were actually delivered yesterday, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait to share this with you all. You all have been so excited along with me. You know how long I've been talking about doing these floors in my house, and the wait is finally over, and I'm just so excited. So make sure you guys stay tuned for my next video, because I'm going to be sharing a lot more information and trying to give you guys updates. and I can even show you guys the baseboards in the next video, and I'll try and share with you guys like progress and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to give you guys a little update on that. We are all still moving forward and good to go with that, and I think it's really going to transform this whole house.
We're fun until we hit the bottom, and we do it all again and again and again and again, again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded, but I know that we can save it, 'cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot of break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega.
So February 7th is my youngest Colton's 8th birthday, and we're actually throwing a party today as you guys are watching this. And we've got a Jolly Jump, and we ordered a bunch of food, and we're having friends and family over to celebrate him. And so I'm so happy that I've been staying diligent on my cleaning, because when you go to entertain in your home, that is like one of the most stressful things. Is on top of trying to just get everything planned, you have to run around and get your house all cleaned up to entertain. So that was a huge goal of mine this week, to get through my whole house and clean. That way I just could move through my house pretty swiftly and do a quick cleanup, and then I didn't have to stress over spending hours cleaning my house and getting it all organized. I can more focus on setting up for the party and having fun with my birthday boy.
Even if we go a lot of break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Looking back at the good times before it all went down, climbed right up on the hillside, a different view of my life. You left me running on and on, but I don't care, would you let me in? You said goodbye like everything's gone, everything that we could have been. But I know you're my liability. Yeah, I know you're my liability. You say that you're sorry. We turn the page and make up. A broken trust got you haunted. The doubting you was enough to leave me chasing you on and on. But I don't care, I will let you in. You said
All right, everyone, that is going to do it for today's video. I hope you guys were able to move around your homes and get some Sunday cleaning done. Even if you just took an hour out of your day to tackle a few things you fell behind on, maybe it's just a load of laundry or a sink full of dishes. Let me know if you found this video helpful. I know that I rely on these types of videos to get things done around my home, so I really hope that you found it helpful. But I'm feeling so much better. I got caught up on that stuff, and now I can take a minute for myself and not feel guilty about it. So I'm going to indulge in a YouTube video really quickly. And if you enjoyed today's video, if you could hit that like button before you leave today, I would so appreciate it. And also maybe consider subscribing before you leave. I would absolutely love to have you. But other than that, everyone, I will see you in the next video. Bye!
hopeless place to